trying to get to my driveway. Who knows? Okay, here we go with another view of wires on my road. Nasty. Okay, I'm standing out on my deck. There's Chris's truck, barely peeking out from the snowdrifts. It's a good 4 feet on the deck. There was a little bit more yesterday, but so it's going down. We like it. Going down. But none of the trees fell down. This is good. I'm going to have to shovel just to get my patio stuff ready for the move. Thrills. Okay, that's enough.